So this is it. Day 3 of this amazing Fraser Island adventure has come to an end. We are just packing up the vehicle and getting ready to go out and do one last excursion before we head back to Brisbane. It was just raining heavy last night. I think because all that rain happened last night, we should be getting very nice weather today.
And make sure your water bottles are full.
Yeah. And Link found my toothbrush. Yay! Make sure everything's packed tight. Tight and packed. So this is going to be our last activity of this 3-day Fraser Island tour. We're going to hike up sand dunes. Apparently it's a bit of a tough hike because it's entirely sand. So that's why he recommends that you either wear flip-flops or you go barefoot. If you wear shoes, your shoes are just gonna fill up with sand. But at the very end of this 30-40 minute track, there's a beautiful lake that we're gonna have one final swim in before we leave Fraser Island. It's gonna be tough to say goodbye to all of this. Made it to the lake.
Someone pulled the plug.
And it looks like it's dry. Where's the water?
Oh, nice! Wow. There's no water. Andrew lied! Where is the lake?
We were promised a lake after a 40-minute walk, and then we arrive and it's just sand.
Surf? Like,
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
just like
showing more.
just everything here. There is a lake. Lake Wabby did not dry up. It's just ahead. So Link, what do you think of the sand dunes?
Awesome.
Then we've got Lake Wabby behind us. It's looking very inviting after that long hike through the sand.
Roll down the hill?
Nah, probably not. I don't want to get sand in my shorts.
Yeah, look at the catfish.
Whoa, there's proper hito, aka catfish, at the bottom of these lakes. The water's green, looks murky. Rest assured, the water's very clean and suitable for swimming. You're gonna get the catfish? Yeah, there's a steep drop off. You're walking, it's shallow, and then 14 meters, it just drops down.
Right? Amazing.
Yeah, it's great. He looks like one of those kangaroos that wait.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me just jump in between these two catfish, these three. Little fishies and catfish to keep you company.
They're surrounding you.
Oh no, the fish are surrounding me.
Ready? Set, go.
Another one, please, like this.
Beautiful. Alright.
Thank you. It's very banana. Yeah.
So long, Fraser Island. Until the next time.